So I also am just learning how to use a scroll saw. My first time using it, I did what I call Good Luck Kitchen Witches. And they're in the style of toll painting from like the 90s, like the kitschy vibe. So everything is hand cut and hand sanded. This does move. Tried to add a little bit of dimension to them. So that's my first foray into scroll sawing by myself. My second piece, I tried to imitate my husband with his shadow boxes. Not nearly as good as his, but I tried. So that's a lighthouse and a sailboat. I do not want to tell you how many blades I broke. Far more than I probably should have. The two bottom layers are painted, and then I wood burned the top layer with the lighthouse and the sailboat. And I don't know what wood I used, but he does. Birch and walnut plywood. Any questions that I can answer? And this one is sealed with spray-on Varathane.
Okay, thanks, Kathleen.